the entire parking lot to park in. There are people on either side of me. Well, one's Carson, so I'm not pissed about that. But how about that water beating, though? Ugh. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to the shop yet again. We are going to drink some coffee today. Tomorrow is National Coffee Day, and then the day after that is my half birthday. So get hyped, get excited. A lot on the plate today. We are actually detailing and giving a ceramic coat to a beautiful brand new Audi Q3. I don't have a ton of experience with the Audi SUVs, except for the fact that like my mom had a Q7 back in the day, and I don't know, I think it was cool. Kind of looked like a potato, but these Q3s, they're high tech, they're nice, and I'm excited because I have not seen the interior of one up close, only kind of on YouTube and you know, whatever. That's sick. It's also a beautiful white color, so we're gonna be seeing that today. But before we get into the video, you guys know the drill at this point. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Also hit that like button. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. Also, before this video starts, I was just listening to music and I realized that I listen to the same music over and over and over during my daily drives. Comment your favorite artist down below right now. I'm just trying to branch out, listen to new things, and see what my audience listens to too, because I feel like we're all similar-minded people. But that's just me. Also driving with 0 hands right now, just my knees, but it's cool, we're staying safe. That's really hard to drink. I think getting the blended mocha every time is like gonna be cool, but every single time I get it, it's always hard to consume because it's just like thick and I'm sucking it through a straw. It is 10 in the morning, just got some coffee and ready to rip. Today is gonna be fun, I think. I'm only up north here for a few more days, so I'm trying to get as much content in as possible. And then we're going golfing later today, so that's gonna be really fun. I'm not gonna draw out this intro too long. I do that sometimes. I know I caught myself when I was editing. I'm like, dang, I'm just talking forever, but let's cut to it. Let's get to the shop.
It's got like aggressive bolstering, like there's Alcantara right here.
Jeez. It's got a straight piped exhaust. That's it, wide angle. You got the red calipers on the Q3 S Line. This thing is actually sharp. I love white Audis with the black optics package. Like that's just cool. What's up?
The new infotainment system's crazy.
That is the biggest freaking screen I've ever seen.
Off-road comfort, dynamic, individual.
I can't show this to my girlfriend or she's gonna want one. It's even got the rings. Dude, my light's burned out, my Chinese ones.
Dude, one of mine's, it's like shattered or something.
We got a budget Urus here. Dude, it has an engine start stop button, that's cool.
In Europe, they get the RS Q3.
Oh, that's insane.
So no, RS3 drivetrain.
No way.
Imagine
Turbo
how sick
5?
that would be.
Very sick. We're talking about all the Lamborghini features in this car. We got the backwards opening door. Everything's just like linear and geometric, like hexagonal, like the Urus and the Huracan. That's very nice. So it's already paint corrected, correct?
I just gotta do this side actually.
Cool. And then the ceramics going on today.
Yeah, I had a lot of bad swirls, but
What year is it?
this is 2020 or 2021 maybe.
Okay, I was gonna say they're brand new with the Q3s.
It
So.
only has like 1,000 miles on it.
Woo. Nice.
I gotta turn the lights back on. The new lights are sick too.
Oh yeah.
They're just killing it. This also reminds me of Urus. The
Yup.
jagged lights and
That's
shit.
insane.
It's ridiculous.
Bang for your buck. S Line Q3 probably goes for like what, 40? I bet.
Yeah, like it's not expensive at all.
this white, especially this package on the Q3. You're talking about how it's a budget Urus. Even like the weird little lines, like it all just works together. Only downside, fake exhaust outlets. Cool diffuser though. I think it makes up for it. It's a cool car. We spec'd it out. You can get these for like 45.